Hey everybody, this is Tammy at All About Living, and today we are going to make Randy's favorite chicken sandwich. And we're going to have my granny's macaroni salad because I hadn't had it in a while. So let's get started. Next we're going to get this on. We're going to put it on a medium heat. We're going to let that pan get hot. Okay, we're going to cut this bacon in half. I got 3 pieces of bacon so I can make 6. Okay, we're going to get our bacon started because I'm going to need a little bit of bacon grease to fry my chicken or grill my chicken. It's going to be a grill stick. There we go. Now I'm going to get started on my macaroni. So I'm going to put about 4.5 cups of water in there. Alright, and I'm going to liberally salt that water. That was about 3 teaspoons. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut us up an onion. I'm going to get it down to work my bag. Alright. And then the first thing I'm going to do is cut off 2 slices for Randy's sandwich. Then the rest I'm going to put in that bowl to make my macaroni salad. Okay, that time's pretty good. Time to flip my bacon. Now we're gonna let that side cook. Alright, I've set me a piece of saran wrap on my cutting board, and I'm gonna put my chicken pieces on there. Or I'm going to put my chicken pieces on there. I'm going to lay another piece of saran wrap across the top. Because I need to beat this meat. Now I'm going to pick it up, and hopefully it'll work that I can flip it. Because I want the chicken to be really tender. Okay, now it's time to take my bacon out. Okay, now we're going to move that off that flame because it was pretty hot. And I'm going to turn it down just a hair. And I'm going to let that pan cool off just a little bit. And we're going to get the seasoning on this chicken. Okay, we're going to use Randy's butt rub. And if you don't know what's in it, we do have a video that Randy actually did himself. We make this all the time. I use it for chicken. I use it on pork. I use it on rabbit. I use it on steak sometimes. It's just a really good all-around barbecue rub. So, and in case you didn't notice, this is a Parmesan cheese lid, and it fits absolutely perfectly on top of a regular mouth jar. So don't throw those away. They're keepable. Alright, we're just going to liberally sprinkle that all over that chicken. We're going to pat it down in there. Going to flip it. See how flat that is now? That's what you want, because you want a good tender sandwich. Oops. Alright, we're going to pat that down in there. Okay, we're going to get this right on in that bacon grease. Alright, let's get this macaroni in here. I really only want about 8 ounces or so for Randy and I, but for a family of 4 or more, you're gonna need a whole box. And we're just gonna give that a little stir. Get that lid back on it, let it come back up to a boil. The other good thing about tenderizing that meat is that it cooks so much faster.
Right.
Look at there, look at there. Okay, now we're just going to set those aside. Okay, and like I said yesterday when I was being scrunchy, buy and use real cheese. Okay, now I'm going to turn this down to a medium-low flame, and I'm going to put my flat pan on, and I'm going to get us some buns toasted. And I don't have anything on them, because I'm putting bacon and all that other. We're just going to toast them up, just like that. Now we're going to get this macaroni put together. Alright, I boiled these eggs the other day, so I'd have plenty whenever I needed them, and then I just put them in the fridge. And we're just going to take this handy dandy masher and mash that egg. Look at there. 2 seconds, chopped eggs. I'll put that over in our bowl. And we're going to get those eggs in there. Okay, you remember I have a whole onion and 2 stalks of celery, and now I have 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add some dill pickle relish. I'm probably good 2 tablespoons. That depends on how much you like pickles. We love pickles, so I generally put a lot. And then we're going to put pepper. And then we're going to put our mayonnaise. And I do it by sight, so I don't know exactly. I just do it till I think I have enough to just coat it good without it being yucky. So we're going to start with that. That's probably 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, maybe. Okay. Now we're going to add that macaroni. Give it a stir again. And now we're going to make it pretty. And we're going to put a little bit of this paprika all over the top. Just a little. And there's Granny's macaroni salad. Alright, we're going to get these sandwiches made now. And we're going to use Randy's barbecue sauce. The butt rub and the barbecue sauce are in the rib video. And he'll link that at the end of the video. Okay, we're going to get this sandwich put together now. We're going to Put our barbecue sauce on. Put as much as you want. That's some good sauce. And the longer it sits in the fridge, the better it gets. We're going to put about 3 slices of cheese in there. Is that good Swiss cheese? We're going to put our chicken on there. We're going to put that bacon. I think 2's good. Alright, we're going to put 2 good slices of bacon on there. I'm going to put his onion on there. And we're going to just load it up with jalapenos. And that is called a Randy sandwich. Just look at that big sandwich. There you have it, folks. Y'all enjoy. Have a wonderful evening.